Hey guys, we're live at 6:49. I got 10 spots right here, and we are battling, copy, two-winner battle for the Molded Legs Hoth Solo for first prize, and then this other very nice Hoth Solo for second place. So we got 10 spots, and I'm going to paste over here in random to find our winner. Going to roll the dice, got to get a 5 or better to actually play. We got an 11, which means we're definitely good to go. Good luck. Drew, round 1. Manuel 2 and 3. Drew again on top in round 4. Manuel 5 and 6. Brian takes round 7 with number 10. Manuel again on top in round 8 with number 8. Drew round 9 as we go back and forth here. Don in the top spot with number 2 in our next to last round, round 10, bringing us invariably to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Our winners are Don and Manuel. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code. We'll make it legit. TPISAX is our verification code. There's our results. I'm done at 650. There it is. One last time, here's the results. Congrats to our winners. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.